This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Heineken beer, one of the most popular beers in the world. I wanted to take a look at this for quite some time now, but I never really got around to doing that. So today is finally the day when we are taking a look at this iconic beer. Let us take a quick look at the nutrition table right here, see how much energy we can suck out of this. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients list and the description of it here. Enjoy cool, recycle me. Yeah, the aluminium can and the can deposit that we have here in Germany. Pause if you want to take a look at that, and if you want to scan this, I don't know why you would. It says quality. It says pure, and it says malt, and it says lager, and it also says premium. This is how you know that it's premium. No, but I generally have to say that Heineken is a nice beer, a nice standard beer, one could say almost, and this Red Star with the green can bottle, whatever you get it in, is iconic and available in many places all around the world. But without further ado, let us crack open the can now. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I really like the can. It almost looks like the 7-Up can, this like shade of green with this sort of like spots on there. Very sporty. Not very beer-like maybe even. Let's see what this smells of. Oh, it smells of beer. Could be a premium lager, might be Heineken. Yes, the foaminess seems to be quite alright. Didn't really fizz too much scent-wise. Smells like a lager. Very nice. So, let's pour it. Try to conserve some of the carbonation that we have in our drink. It is very light in colour. Looks wise, you can see that. I cannot really tilt the glass all too much, but it is quite light in colour, but it's got a lovely golden shine to it. The fizz seems to be pearly enough and modest enough from just looking at it like this. So, smell wise is still fine. Let's take a sip. Oh yes, this tastes good. Pearliness wise, the fizz is there. It is not too dominant. It is well rounded off, one could say. Flavor wise, yeah, it's quite a standard beer, or that you could call it here. Well, a standard European beer, and I have to say that I've always liked Heineken. Heineken is like a more hearty, more substancy version of Carlsberg. I know I'm gonna upset some people with that, but Carlsberg was one of my favorite beers for a long time, and it still is. But it's a bit shallow, maybe in flavor, one could say. This right here, the Heineken, is a bit stronger, a bit more hearty, maybe a bit more herby too. Carbonation-wise, maybe a slight bit milder or coarse. I feel like the Carlsberg is a bit finer, but overall I still like the Heineken, certainly, and this reminds me of lovely intoxicated summer nights. Yeah, very nice. Color-wise, scent-wise, flavor-wise, pearliness-wise, overall very decent, one could say, standard beer, and I would recommend trying this out if you haven't done so already. So as a rating, I think I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. I don't really have too much to complain about. Overall, yeah, very enjoyable drink that we have here in front of us. Oh, well, that I have here in front of me. And on that, I think it is already time to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye bye.